Hi there! In case you missed it, this is our 8th Crowd Cookware Kickstarter campaign. Our secret recipe? We co-create cookware together with our crowd of over 30,000 backers across the globe. Now we're thrilled to introduce something new. Cook, play, and conserve. Did you know that 30% of all food produced worldwide gets thrown away? So we love it that our community requested a new series of pans that inspire excellent cooking and help prevent food waste. Together with backers from over 90 countries, we brainstormed, designed, and tested a brand new series of cooking pots. Made out of chef-grade stainless steel, with our signature handles, suitable for all heat sources, and crowned with a lid like no other. It allows you to seal your pot airtight. This transforms your cooking pot into a storage container, allowing excellent conservation of your leftovers. This flat design allows easy stacking in your fridge. And to celebrate the joy of cooking even more, we've co-created the very first Crowd Cookware cooking game. This game invites you and your friends, family, colleagues for an amazing cooking experience, while playing an epic game full of culinary riddles. You learn about recipes across the globe, learn new cooking techniques, and enjoy new tastes. All to have a genuinely magical cooking experience together. And an amazing meal. Oh, and you can actually enjoy it the days after as well. Join us now on our new cooking adventure.
Thumbs up.
Even Skylar approves.
Woohoo! Go Crowd Cookware!